In front of me is Honor 9A, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So first of all, you need to open your camera app, then click on settings icon and pick timer. You can choose 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me go with 5 seconds delay, and from now on just grab your phone and you can take a picture with 5 seconds delay. Here you will be able to see the countdown. After that the picture is grabbed. And this is it. That will be all. To switch the timer off, just mark the settings, go to timer again and switch it off by tapping on off. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.